Okay, it's the morning of my daughter's 5th birthday party. Her actual birthday is in a couple of days. But I am still in my pajamas. I am ready to have some coffee and then feed the kids breakfast. My dog is going crazy out here, being outside for 2 seconds alone. Lena? Huh? You okay? No? So this is the plan. We are gonna have breakfast. It's 11:02, the party's not till 3. We have to be there at 2:45. It's probably like 30 minutes away. She's going to this really cute little spa and have a birthday party with 7 of her friends. About 7 of her friends. Praying everything goes well and they all show up. And we have today my goddaughter's here. We are gonna drop off my son at my in-laws house to hang out over there because it's an all-girls type of thing. We are also having a family little birthday thing for her on the day of her actual birthday. Sorry for the lighting. So I remember when choosing my daughter's birth date. So she was a planned C-section because my first baby was an emergency C-section. Here in Florida, once a C-section, always a C-section. Couldn't find anybody to do a VBAC for my son, and then so the baby, it was a planned C-section. So we had to decide whether we were gonna do the end of November or the beginning of December. And my godson has a birthday at the beginning of December. I didn't really think that. He was growing up to be older pretty quickly, and I wasn't gonna be invited to his birthday parties any longer. So I chose the end of November, which is right after Thanksgiving and right after my father-in-law's birthday and right before my niece's birthday. So yeah, I think the most hectic part of that, I'm making pancakes by the way, the most hectic part of that is just having her birthday right after Thanksgiving. So I don't like to host Thanksgiving because then I have to plan a big party the next day. So what we did was we took the easy way out and we are paying this place to do the party for us. Where's my pancake mix? All right, so you don't like the pancakes, so because your special day, I will allow you to eat something else. I'm making you some waffles. You guys ready for today? Aaron, what are your plans for today? You don't want to go to the spa, right? No?
He's gonna jump into their pool.
You're gonna jump into the pool? Grammy's pool? No? You gonna play video games all day with Titi Abby? Yeah? Okay. And you're gonna stand around and be the good big sister and support your little sister and get her on stage, right? You're gonna be the hype woman? You wanna dance dress as a Disney princess? You can be Anna, because Elsa's gonna be there. No? Alright. I'll take this for you. You want your birthday plate? Yeah? Okay. Isn't this cute? Adeline got this for her first birthday from her grandmother. And she eats on it every year. Okay, breakfast is over. They've eaten breakfast and now it's time to get ready. So I'm gonna get dressed, do my hair, and then do Arilyn, and then fix Armani's hair, which is my goddaughter, and then see what time that finishes. See what time we get all that stuff done by. Outfit, sitting down. All right, pretty girl. She's all ready. We'll put her shoes on at the end. Arilyn doesn't like to wear shoes on her feet. Or sneakers anyway, right? Only sandals. So we're going to the spa. You're gonna get a hairstyle. You're gonna get your nails done. You're gonna get to wear a pretty dress. You're gonna have a dance party. I'm excited too.
Where's the dance party?
At the same place.
The stage?
Yeah, but with everybody, not you by yourself.
Wait, are you gonna be there?
The princess is gonna be there, I think.
On the stage?
All your friends will be there.
Except for no, there's gonna be no boys.
No boys allowed.
Except for dads.
Yeah, except for dads. And that's it, right? No brothers allowed.
Mom, brothers aren't allowed. And
Aaron won't be participating because he'll just be standing around watching, right? So, first we have to go get your cake. We're gonna get your cake once Daddy comes in.
We have to save some cake from the party.
Yeah, you're gonna have lots of cake this weekend, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Well,
how many people are coming?
7 of your friends.
So
okay. 7. Yeah. All right. Well, here we go. Ready? Yeah. All right. Got the cake and the candle, and we're.
You ready?
Bye, buddy. Have fun doing boy things while we do girl things.
All of Santa's reindeer.
We'll give this to DW later.
Like a game. Tell me about.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet.
We can sing Let It Go.
That sounds good. The snow glows white on the mountain tonight, not a footprint to be seen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Arlene. Happy birthday to you.
Go in.
Ooh la la. Cut the cake and say hi.
All right.
Alright.
Good job,